It has been a few months after Covid-19 started. I wonder what is the impact to Greater Vancouver real estate market in July 2020. The August 2020 report just came out. I'm going to share the latest report and the sales data with you. This is Lotus Yuen with CREST Realty.
Welcome back to our real estate market update for Greater Vancouver for August 2020. I have summarized some of the key points from this report and I would like to share with you. Steady increases in home sales and listing activity continue in June. Metro Vancouver housing market sees steady summer activities. Home buyers and seller activity in Metro Vancouver exceeds historical levels in July. We are seeing the results today of pent-up activity from both home buyers and sellers that has been accumulating in our market throughout the years. Low interest rate and limited overall supplies are also increasing competition across our market. We start seeing many places has a multiple offer already. Safety remains the top priority for our realtor community. We continue limits in-person interactions with clients and employ different technologies solutions to ensure home buyers and sellers can get as much information as possible in a virtual setting. The Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver reports that residential home sales in the region totaled 3,128 in July 2020, a 22.3% increase from the 2,557 sales recorded in July 2019, and a 28% increase from 2,443 homes sold in June 2020. Last month's sales were 9.4% above the 10 years July sales average. There were 5,948 detached attached apartments properties newly listed for sales on MLS in Metro Vancouver in July 2020. This represents 28.9% increase compared to the 4,613 homes listed in July 2019, and 2.8% increase compared to June 2020 when 5,787 homes were listed. The total number of homes currently listed for sales on the MLS system in Metro Vancouver is 12,083, a 15.1% decrease compared to July 2019. At that time, it was about 14,240 listings on the market in MLS, and about 5.8% increase compared to June 2020. At that time, it was about 11,424 property listed in MLS. All property types, the sales to active listing ratio for July 2020 is 25.9%. By the property type, the ratio is 25.1% for detached home, 31.1% for townhouse, and 24.7% for apartments. Generally, analysts say that downward pressure on home prices occur when the ratio dips below 12% for a substandard period, while home sales often experience upward pressure when it surpasses 20% over several months. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark price for all residential properties in Metro Vancouver is currently $1,031,400. This represents about 4.5% increase over July 2019 and 0.6% increase compared to June 2020. Sales of detached home in July 2020 reached 1,121, a 33.3% increase from the 841 detached sales recorded in July 2019. The benchmark price for a detached home is about $1.477 million. This represents a 5% increase from July 19 and 0.9% increase compared to June 2020. The sales of apartment home reached 1,400 in July 2020, a 12.6% increase compared to 1,243 sales in July 2019. The benchmark price of an apartment property is $482,500. This is about 4.2% increase from July 2019 and 0.3% increase compared to June 2020. Attached home sales in July 2020 totaled 607, a 28.3% increase compared to 473 sales in July 2019. The benchmark price of an attached home is about $797,700. This represents a 3.7% increase from July 2019 and 0.9% increase compared to June 2020. Here are my views and my comment. In July 2020, new listings are increased from the previous month and also from the same time last year. In July 2020, residential home sales have a big increase from the previous month and from the same time last year. However, the percent increase in sales is bigger than the percent increase in listing. And low interest rate and limited inventory may also last a bit longer. People in Greater Vancouver already adopt and accept the current COVID-19 environment in a way that they are getting more lateral for viewing properties. In general, July is lower than spring or after September, every year. But this year, many people are still staying in B.Sc and Greater Vancouver. They did not go out for vacation or out of town. In addition, more overseas buyers who are Canadian or PR are also considered to invest or buy a property to prepare their return. For example, people from Hong Kong, there's more people coming back, maybe in coming 1 to 3 years. And I think in August, the real estate market will be still active. But the market in September will be really depend on COVID-19 situation. If the second waves are coming in September or after, I think the market will have bigger impact. The price will continue to sustain and steady at least for this coming 3 months. Here are my view and my comments. Thank you for watching. I hope the statistic information are useful to you. We can share more real estate information with you in the near future, such as buying, selling, investing, and rental property management. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question or any comment, please feel free to leave message or contact me. See you next time.